Presenting the 2013 Dodge Durango. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include alloy rims, keyless entry, power mirrors, traction control. Inside you'll find third-row seat, steering wheel controls, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."